Hi, this is Vanida. Here I'm going to explain you on how to factorize this problem p to the power 4 into q to the power 12 minus p to the power 12 into q to the power 4. Okay, before we start learning on how to solve this, um, let us quickly review on the two things. One is on the identity um, x square minus y square. I hope you would have learned about this identity already. What is x square minus y square? Can write this as x plus y into x minus y. This you must be knowing already. One is this, and the laws of exponents. What is a to the power m into a to the power n? This is nothing but a to the power m plus n. When the bases are the same, the powers are different, and when they are separated by multiplicative operator, you can just add the power, just a to the power m plus n. Okay, so if you are aware of these two things, you should be able to solve this problem. Now, coming back to the problem. So now take this first term, look at this, p to the power 4, I'm writing as it is. How can I rewrite this q to the power 12 using the laws of exponents? Can I write this as q to the power 4 into q to the power 8? See, the bases are the same, powers of different multiplicative operator. So we can just add the power. So you get it as q12. So q12 can be rewritten as q to the power 4 into q to the power 8. Same way, in the second term, p to the power 12 can be rewritten as p to the power 4 into p to the power 8 into q to the power 4. Okay. So now look at these two terms. What is common between these two terms? You have P4, Q4 as common between these two terms. So I'm going to take out the common terms and rewrite this as P4, Q4 into Q to the power 8 minus P to the power 8. All right. Now look at this. The term, whatever I have written inside the bracket, I'm going to apply the identity x square minus y square. So I want to rewrite this in terms of uh, the power 2. How do I rewrite that? Let's see. P to the power 4 into q to the power 4. Can I write q to the power 8 as q to the power 4 whole to the power 2? This is again using the laws of exponents. A to the power m into n can be a to the power n whole to the power n can be rewritten as a to the power m n. You can just multiply power of power. So when you have power of power, you can just multiply the powers and write it as a to the power m into n. So q to the power 8 can be rewritten as q to the power 4 whole square minus p to the power 4 whole to the power 2. Okay, so I'm going to use the identity x square minus y square and expand this as q4 plus p4 into q4 minus p4. Okay, so now look at the third term. You can again make use of the identity and rewrite this. So the next step would be P4 Q4 into Q4 plus P4. And then this can be the third term. I'm rewriting this as Q square, the whole square, minus P square, the whole square. This is again of the form x square minus y square. So your x is q square and your y is p square. So x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. So the next step, you just need to expand that and write. So all the remaining terms are the same. It's just that only the last term, I'm going to write this as q square plus p square into q square minus p square. So now, if you look at the fourth term, you can still apply the identity. So I'm going to rewrite this as P4Q4 into Q4 plus P4 into Q square plus P square into, this is of the form x square minus y square, right? Which is x plus y into x minus y. So Q plus P into Q minus P. Okay, so we have factorized the given problem as this. So how many factors are there? There are this the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have factorized this as 5 as the product of 5 factors. So this is the final answer. Okay, thank you.